Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to you, M3E Squad. And today we're doing a
DORitos challenge!
And of course it's your boy Marlson, and that's Rawson, and this is Elston, and of course that's Mars, and we are the
M3E!
Looks like today we are going to be having lots of fun, because today we are actually doing a DORitos challenge. That is right, DORitos challenge. And I'm going to let this guy explain to you what's going on. Alright, why don't you explain to your folks what's going on, Marlson?
We're gonna pick out of this container. You see all the ingredients laying out here? So, example, if you get ketchup, you gotta put ketchup with your DORitos.
Okay.
So let's get started.
So Marls, did he cover everything? Huh? Yeah. Alright, let's get to it.
Yeah, let's get out of the window.
So we're going to try to draw 4 times from that container. And these are all the ingredients that will be added to their DORitos. So the first one will be syrup, soy sauce. We've got mustard and Takis. We've got lemon and lime.
And orange.
And orange. And the second one too is it's extra flaming hot. And we've got an apple cider vinegar. And we got ketchup and mayo. So remember, the way it's gonna be played out is each one of them will have to turn to draw 4 times out of this container, and so whatever that they pick from this ingredients or these categories right here will be added to their chips or their DORitos, and they're gonna try to see if they can finish them all. All right, let's see. So the first turn will be, let's see. Let's go ahead and take it. Give it to Mars. Mars, go ahead.
Lime.
You've got lime? Alright, so lime. Alright, let's go ahead and add it in. So I'll take one, open them up, and squeeze 1 lime into that DORitos. Come on.
That's not good. Okay, do we need to eat it all?
Uh-huh. Let's squeeze him in.
No, like eat it all.
Yeah.
Like the whole bag?
Uh-huh. You gotta squeeze him in.
Then how do we get some more? We eat the whole bag.
Squeeze it in.
You don't eat the whole bag. You need to eat everything all at once.
I'm just gonna eat 2 at a time.
Come on.
Hey, you can roll. Yes.
So did you squeeze that lemon in?
Yeah.
Or I mean, is it lime?
Yeah, it's lime.
Alright. So what do you got, Elston?
Got hot Cheetos.
Oh, so looks like Elston's got the Cheetos extra hot. So
I opened
that
it.
be so this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and open that up. Go on. Yeah, go ahead and open yours. And so we're gonna have to take some of this out right in here. And then we're gonna have to shake them all up. Shake. That's yours, Elston.
Oh, wait.
Don't be such a girl. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to Rossi.
Lemon!
Alright, go ahead and take 1 lemon
Okay.
and squeeze that lemon into your DORitos. Go ahead,
Wait,
go ahead.
it's cleaning out. Morris, you put 2 lemons.
You have lemon again?
Huh?
You got lemon?
Lemon.
Alright, go ahead. Take the lemon. Alright. Squeeze it in.
Why did
Well,
everyone
2
get
is
mixed
needed.
for me?
Alright. Once you're done with that, once you're done with the lemon, come on, you gotta go ahead and squeeze everything in. Alright?
Nothing's that bad.
Come on. And make sure you shake it. Go ahead.
Let's put it up. Oh. What did I get? Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and Lawson, Mars. Yeah.
Okay, Danny? Can I try?
Oh, don't try it yet.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Can we try it?
All right, let's go ahead and put some soy sauce. So that's the second round, right?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, come on, come on.
Why did I get it again?
Okay.
You got Cheetos again.
Cheetos again? Oh,
But that's not even bad. That's
Right,
lucky.
go ahead.
That's
Let's
lucky
go
gold.
with the baby.
This is good.
Hey. This is so good. You have to do good.
You're not supposed to eat it yet. What, you want to add some in?
Okay, Rossin.
Oh, wait, this hand is wet.
Use the napkin.
Where do I put this? It is not being. Oh, yeah.
Orange. All right. Squeeze orange into yours. Mark, help you. Get the small one. Get it.
Soon we're gonna get mine. I'm getting mine. Oh, what is
Shake it up.
No! The mustard!
Got mustard. All right, let's go with mustard. Shake him up a little bit.
Wait! That was mine.
Shake him up. Shake him up.
You see that?
What?
All right, go ahead, Mars.
Not cheating. Oh, I didn't want this one.
What do you got?
Syrup.
Syrup. He's got the syrup.
Okay, Alfred, what did you get? You get. Oh! You get
Come on, don't be scared. Come
apple
on.
cider vinegar!
Come on.
You got apple cider vinegar. Oh!
Nah.
Okay, help him with that. Mars, help him with that. Oh man, Elston, I'm so sorry, Elston. Why do you have to like take the?
Hey, guys, sit down.
Alright.
Austin,
Oh, that stinks.
I'm taking the mustard.
Go ahead. Add that in. Mustard.
Okay, I got sweet mustard.
Ketchup.
So are you.
Okay, add your soy sauce in there.
I got soy, Dad. I'll pass it up. Oh.
Dude, mine smells like pancakes.
Okay, make sure you shake yours. Shake them well.
Who got soy sauce? Me? Yeah, yours.
Is that the last one, Mars?
Round 4?
Uh-huh.
Think so.
No, that's three.
You got the, what do you got?
Yeah,
You
I
got
got
the
three.
what?
I got
Wait, I had.
three. I got lime, mustard, and
Soy
I had
sauce?
lime.
soy
Oh,
sauce.
yeah, this is the last.
Yeah, that's the last one.
Wait,
fine.
wait! Oh, I lost that sounded like a fart sound. Okay.
Okay, not bad.
Austin, did you get it? Where's my...
Okay, what's yours, Elston?
Dude, I don't want to. I want to... I want... Dude, if no one gets talkies...
Oh, I know what that is.
What? Ketchup.
Shake him first. Or shake him first.
Let's see it.
Doggies. Why am I taking the loose? Mayo.
Huh? Mayo? Alright,
That's gross.
so,
That's gross.
alright, let's,
This is gross.
come on, let me take the,
Hey!
Hey,
Oh my
hand me a bag.
God.
Hand me a bag. Or napkin.
I don't need that.
let's go ahead and get some of these,
Green together.
cheese. Is it cheese or mayo?
Mayo.
Oh, I wish we had cheese dip. That would be nice.
Look at that.
I got lime.
Alright, shake him up. Gotta work him
Is
around.
there? I don't
Working good, working good. All right.
More stuff.
Okay.
No one got Takis.
Huh?
No one got Takis.
You got Takis?
No one.
All right.
We have enough for another round.
You have enough for another round?
Bonus round.
All right, let's go with the bonus because we are savages.
Okay, what do you get?
I got lime.
Lime again? All right.
Austin, get it.
At least mine's still the same color.
Why is it?
I also got Takis.
No!
Oh my goodness.
What's you? Sarah.
Zero.
Go ahead.
I got, but sometimes you gotta be savage. Ew! You put it in this thing. We don't have. Oh.
Mom, what you get? Good.
That looks like a
All right.
yellow cup of pancake. We don't have more. We have only 3 left.
Yeah, take one.
I thought you already got ketchup.
I know, but that's we finished the thing. I want to talk to you the roast thing.
All right.
Look at this.
Okay.
There's 3 more.
No, that's it.
Okay, I'm gonna read it.
Can I get talkie?
No. Stick with the plan. All right. You guys ready? All right. Let's move on.
Okay, I'm ready. Oh, wait, I need to pray for you.
Okay. All right. So the moment of truth. This is where the challenge begins. So go ahead and start the feast.
A cat. I'm done.
Don't forget now. Don't force yourself. Let me know if you need to drink some milk or water. Okay.
I'm not gonna do
Oh.
it.
Mine's not bad.
I just ate the one with the syrup on it, but it kind of tastes good.
Then you're weird.
This one. That is good. Let's do that. I guess somebody likes yours and not mine aren't.
What's going on, Rosin?
Puking.
You're giving up already? Ah.
What does the winner get?
Throw yourself in. Dorito.
Hey, if you guys want to drink milk, go ahead. How does it taste so far?
Good.
Huh? How does yours taste like?
Well,
It tastes like flaming hot.
Alvin didn't even. The only bad thing that he got was vinegar.
Ketchup.
How you doing on yours, Rosin? Are you giving up? Are you done? Oh, looks like we have one loser in the house. So we've got Rosin. Are you out? You're done?
Yeah.
All right. Well, it looks like Rosin is completely out of the challenge. So we're now down to the 3 and 3E. As it is. Oh. How are you holding up on yours, Marlson?
Really good, but the mustard, no.
It's really good, but the mustard is not good.
No good.
No good. Huh? No good. It looks like we have a second runner-up on the losing team. It looks like it's gonna be Mars on the right corner.
I'll be savage.
How about you, Elston? You seem to finish the milk more faster than you can on your chips there. Are you done?
Oh. Ah.
Go ahead. If you want to throw up, you can step out for a
My
little bit.
stomach hurts. Go to the Mom, go to the dentist if your stomach hurts. See, the doctor cleans your teeth with a toothbrush. But I don't feel like being this.
Oh, why not?
Ah, no.
Come on, you're almost up, Marlson. You get to finish all of that. You can be the winner.
Yep.
The prize is $1 million.
Sorry.
I'm playing PS4 all night.
Dad, I'm done.
All right.
Second loser of the day. So I want Mars to win this.
So it looks like we have Rawson and Elston. They're both out of the challenge. So now we're down
There's
to
no more minutes.
Mars and Marlson.
Hey, bring me a water bottle.
Dude, yours is so bad. Mine was nasty.
Dude, look at mine, so wet.
I didn't get mustard all in my house. Oh. I'm supposed to bring more. Look at me. There's just 8. I can't.
Come on, you're almost there, Marlson. Dude, you're almost done. Just stuff it one time in your mouth.
Oh, I don't like it.
That's the whole point of the challenge. Come on. Come on, be a savage.
I'm not gonna do here. I give up. That's it.
Say that.
You give up?
Yep. My
Yeah.
stomach hurts.
Alright, well, alright, so let's see. We still have, well, Mars, you still have a little bit on yours right there. So if you don't finish it, then you're not going to be the winner.
What?
Uh-huh. Yep.
Everyone
Take it. I'm gonna take some Takis.
So you got to at least finish it, at least, just so we can have a winner. Come on.
I dropped that before you. I took that.
Finish your chips,
I
Mars.
was the second last.
Even if you can't or don't want to, at least just do it, just for the sake of our video. Do it.
That's right.
Finish
there,
it.
go.
Finish it, or else this video will be just a waste. Because it's gonna be like a video of all losers. Yeah. We gotta at least have one winner. So finish that. Come on.
Sorry guys, I had a stomach ache, so I didn't get to finish it.
So he's gonna visit the dentist, okay?
Yeah. Because I really have a stomach.
And also he has
Okay guys, I think we're finished. I'm really full. And I'm watching on the challenge to see if something.
Are you full or are you sick? What's going on?
I'm really full.
All right, well, the winner for this challenge is Mars. Thank you, Mars, for being the winner for our video, for the sake of our video. And I want to thank you guys for doing your best in that challenge. I know it was really difficult because of all the mixed ingredients that you had to put in your Doritos. All right, let's go ahead and wrap up this video. And what do you got to say to our M3E squad?
Don't forget to subscribe and check our other videos down below.
Like this video.
like this video. Leave your comment below.
All right. What about you, Russell? Do you have anything to say?
See you next time.
All right. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. All right. Peace.